Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your Google TV Streamer 4K, and trust me, this works pretty well without any problem. First things first, on your phone you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then from the search bar or the search icon at the bottom you want to come inside of this search input field, then proceed to search for the Google Home app. You should be able to find this app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, and here you have it. So make sure you select it and make sure you download and install this app into your iPhone or Android phone. Now once the Google Home app is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, and the setup process for this application is quite simple. You just have to follow all of the on-screen instructions and give the app all of the permission it requires. So click on the Get Started button at the bottom over here, click on Next. In some instances, you will also be required to sign into your Google account. That is, if you don't have your Google account signed in on your phone already. In my case, I do have a couple of emails over here, so I'll go ahead and select mine. Preferably, you should actually sign into the same Google account or Gmail that is signed in on your Google TV Streamer 4K. Now, once you select that and sign into your Google account, you might also be required to turn on Bluetooth, so make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone as well. Give it permission to access your location. And once you do that, the app is successfully set up. All you just have to do now is to come over to the home page, and this is exactly how it looks like. Now at this point, you just want to make sure that both your phone and your Google TV Streamer 4K are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. If you do not have the remote control of your Google TV Streamer 4K to connect it to Wi-Fi or hotspot network, I have a separate tutorial on how to connect the Google TV Streamer 4K to Wi-Fi without the remote control, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that video in the description of this video. You can go ahead and check it out. Make sure that your Google TV Streamer 4K and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then you go ahead to click on the Devices tab at the top of the Google Home app, and this is actually the devices icon, this box icon. Go ahead and select that, and from here you should be able to find all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as your phone. This is actually my Google TV Streamer 4K. It is called the living room TV, so I'll go ahead and select it just like so. And now you have the open remote option. Go ahead and select that as well. If you're using the open remote option for the first time, you'll be required to enter this code that is displayed on your Google TV Streamer 4K inside of this input field. I'll go ahead and enter mine. And once you're done, just click on the pair button, and automatically now you have this nice looking remote control that you can use to navigate through your Google TV Streamer 4K without any problem. If you don't like the style of this remote, you can as well click on the three dot icon at the top, click on D-pad control, and here is also a nice looking remote control that you can use to navigate through your Google TV Streamer 4K without any problem. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.